Hello everyone. How to make big money in 2020 is what I'm going to reveal in this video. So, if you want and are really serious to make money in 2020 with freelancing, then this is the video for you. Stick till the end. Today I will be showing you each and every step what you need to do, and at the end of the video I will be revealing to you a very great opportunity. Okay, so just stick in this video till the end so that you get every information required to make money online. So this is going to be a very special video, and I am going to tell you this big opportunity which you are going to get in the freelance field. So if you are interested in freelancing, then just take action after watching this video. Most of the entrepreneurs who have begun their journey as an entrepreneur online, make money online, are mostly we can say that have mostly begun with freelancing. So I'm going to show you the opportunity. Okay, so first we are going to this website which is known as Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace in which you can provide services. Okay, so here what we are going to write is video ads. Okay, when I search in and type here video ads, then what I will get is in the result is, see this, there are so many people who are providing this service. Okay, so what I am going to tell you is that you have to create one gig just like this on Fiverr. Okay, in the end of the video I will be revealing to you how you can create this type of really simple ads, and you can make a ton of money out of it. Okay, one of this ad almost costs $100, so you get paid $100 for creating this simple type of ads. I will be showing you each and every step how you will create the ad, what software you have to use, everything will be shown to you. So stick in this video until the end. You can see what you have to do is create one gig just like this on this platform Fiverr. Okay, now what you have to do next step is, you have to go to this website which is known as Funnel Rolodex, and what you have to do is enter this website, join this website, because this is also a freelancing website just like Fiverr. But the best thing about this website is it has a very low competition, because this website is particularly new. So just type in video ads. Okay, then just search. Okay, if I type in video ads, almost there is no one available. Only 2 people are there in your competition on this website. So you just have to go to this website, go to Fiverr, create a gig, go to this website and create one more gig. Okay, about this video ad service which you are providing. Okay, so if you see, Fiverr has a very big competition, so it will take some time to get your orders on Fiverr. But Funnel Rolodex is particularly a new website, and whoever earns money in Fiverr has joined Fiverr at a very starting, when this website was starting, and they are the ones who are making most of the money in Fiverr. Okay, so Funnel Rolodex is a new website which is going to provide the service in future. This website is going to grow much more, or we can say almost double in 2020. So there will be much of the competition, but for now this is a particularly new website and it has a very low competition. So just you have to provide your service on Fiverr as well as on Funnel Rolodex, and I will show you one more website on which you can provide the service, which is people per hour. What you have to do is go create your profiles on all these 3 services and create a gig about video ads. Okay, about this type of video ads which you are going to create absolutely almost for free. Okay, now I will show you what you have to do to create such video ads. That's really easy, really simple. All you have to do is go to Google and type in buy table. Okay, I'm showing you the website, how you are going to use it, everything will be shown to you. Okay, so what you have to do is, this is a free trial. Okay, so for some days you get to make some videos absolutely for free. So what you are going to do is go to this websites and create this type of videos which you can put it in your thumbnail absolutely for free. Okay, and whenever you get the clients, what you have to do is go to this website and create a video. Now, how will you create the video? There is nothing very difficult in this website. You get ready-made templates. What you have to do is just edit those templates. So I'll be showing to you some of the templates. So here are the templates. Okay, you can see here you can create different type of videos like animated, business, charity. Okay, whatever type of videos you want to create, you can create from here. All you have to do is just edit this one of some of this what can we say templates. Okay, that's really easy. It's just 2 minutes of work which you need, okay, to edit these templates and create a video. That's really easy. Or what can you say, you can just go to YouTube and just watch out some of the tutorials how to create a video with this bytable.com, and it's free. For some time it's free, so just use it and just post all 3 gigs on these 3 websites, and what you are going to do is you are going to receive your first client in a very few days. And what I say is that if you post this type of content on this 3 websites, you are definitely going to get your first client in the first week. And what you have to do is just go to this website, create a video for him, and you will start getting reviews, and more the day by day this website is going to grow really fast. So you will receive more clients from this website as well as from Fiverr as well as from funnel people per hour. So what you are going to do is just provide same services on 3 platforms and you can make a ton of money. Okay, so if you just make one single sale every single day on Fiverr, people per hour and funnel Rolodex, and you charge $100, then you are going to earn $300 a day. That's awesome. Okay, and in 2020 this website is definitely going to boom up, so you are going to earn really a good amount of money with this method. So this method is used by many of the people, and this is also one of the secret strategy which most of the people who are making money online use. Not everyone reveals this strategy and tells you about from where they create their ads or this animated stuff. So just jump into action, take action. Just comment down in the comment box and just tell that yes, I am going to dive in this opportunity, I am going to make money out of this, and you can definitely make money online. It's not at all a difficult stuff. Most of the people have this in mind that making money online is really difficult, but it's very easy, very simple. All you have to do is just take action at right time. Okay, so if you like my content, if you like my video, then what I recommend to you is that you can check out this other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. Everything is shared practically here, and I share most of the things with payment proofs, so you don't have any doubts in your mind. And if you like my content, like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.